Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel Islamical Ruhi Sayyed. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and let's get into the topic. When a child hits us, it's like a 2-year-old or 3-year or 4-year, even it may be a 5-year-old kid. Many parents have that complaints, even though I also face that. So what is the solution for that? How can we manage? At the first time, we are happy to see that my baby is hitting my husband or wife. But apart from that, if you're in calm situation, if your baby hits you, and not only you, he's hitting your whole family members or otherwise he's hurting somebody's means, what will we do? But the fact is how the child is hit you. What is behind that? He's just a baby, but you're the adult, no? Just step back. You have to stop the child. If you're not stopping the child is getting confused. This particular behavior is allowed or not. You don't have to get angry or being upset, but you have to put a boundary. Just stand up. You can just put your child down. Your child is in your arms. Yeah, that is a boundary. This is not allowed for that. You have to teach that. If we are doing like this means they maybe understand. Is this allowed or not? So next time your child is hitting you means you have to stop your child. Let's validate. Okay, you're upset. Don't hurt others. Cannot do this when we are upset. We don't hurt others. So that is gentle parenting. If that situation, they might not be understand, but if you're doing the same thing again and again, they maybe understand that. Not maybe, it's possible. Do this. Respond your comment. What's your queries about parent tips?